Okay, so this is the formula for information content. Now we're gonna define expected value. Expected value of a random variable x. And we've seen this in the statistics refresher. So in the statistics refresher we showed if you have 4 points A, B, C and D, and this is your random variable x, and then you have little weights here that indicate the occurrence, yeah? The occurrence of these events, yeah? So the probabilities were 0.2, 0.1, 0.1 and 0.6, yeah? So what is the expected value? Well, the expected value of x in this case equals, we need to take the sum over all x, that means A, B, C and D, yeah? And then we take the probability that x is one of these letters, huh? We call this small x, times, yeah? Times the mass allocated to these. So times x. Yeah? So in this case it would be 0.2. Yeah? The chance that x is A is 0.2 times 2. Plus, and then B is 0.1 times 1. The 1 comes because there's 1 dot. Here the 2 is because there's 2 dots. And here you go until you're at the end. So you can see this, and I explained it as well, as a sort of the center of gravity of this data set. If we take a look here, you have about 4 dots here, 3 here, so your center of gravity is gonna, be here approximately. Okay, now let's take the expected value of the information content, and this we call entropy, and entropy will denote by h of p. So entropy is the expected value of the information content, yeah, and that equals minus the sum, or minus the sum over x, and here the x's are A, B, C, D, yeah, of x in this case would be p, yeah, times the log of p. Yeah, because the value, the information content here, these are the dots, yeah. So I need to multiply with the number of dots, and what I do is multiply it by this, yeah. This p is actually the chance that x equals to x. If you want it in more detail.